Latest on the transfer news. Sanibona bafethu uVanelo so nginiphathele ezinye indaba zama transfers ku PSL. Njengoba nikhumbula nje ngaphambilini I did a video about uNeo Rapo yabo iOrlando Pirates okuyi-team adimfuna. Sekunezinye ke i-team esimfuna uNeo Rapo. uNeo Rapo bafethu umdlali lo udlalela leSuperSport United odlala kwi-left back position yabo udlalela ne-under 20 bafana lehambile yayowina kwi-AFCON lequkulile ishaya iMorocco yabo. So le team lesijoyinile kwi-race yokumsayina uNeo Rapo yini na iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs nikhumbula kahle i-team le ebeneyinkinga ngempela ku-left back position. Last season iKaizer Chiefs isafarishe kakhulu. Ibiloko shintshanisa abadlali abadlala kule position. Yabo uma nikhumbula kahle uDitloko naye sekwadlala wadayisa uDitloko sekwadlala no Bradley Cross no Dove yabo uDove naye umunye wabadlali ongenzeka ahambe leli windi lesikulona but ke njoba nje leli windi lizovulwa iKaizer Chiefs ifuna another left back isimsayinile uPaseka Makho lo sowa kuOrlando Pirates. They need another player ukuze bakwazi ukuyiqinisa leya position. Orlando Pirates ke right now iyona ema favorite ukuthi imsayine lo mjida lo uNeo Rapo yabo. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs boss uNazreddin Nabi yabo uhlanganile neagent yaDar es Salaam lo dlalela iSimba SC yabo. uNabi lo mdlali lo yamfuna impela umfuna ayojoina amakhosi. uNabi jo ufuna ukuyojoina amakhosi kukhona eclub emfunayo lo mjidelo ufunwa yini RS Berkane. RS Berkane ke iyona ke club le esayina kakhulu iyona club le edlala kakhulu kwiCAF Confed yabo. So they need quality players to continue winning that cup. So bayamfuna ke lo mjida lo. So iKaizer Chiefs ibangisana neRS Berkane to get this player. Umdlali uvalued lapho emalwini engango 5.3 million yabo. iKaizer Chiefs mase ikhiphe imali ephezulu kwale mhlambe ngamthola umjida mase ikhiphe mhlambe 6 million rands ingamthola lo mdlali lo odlalela iSimba SC. Kwezinye izindaba i-team kaNgezana iFCSB are hoping to bring the TS Galaxy and Bafana Star ahead of the next season yabo. Sundowns interested ne Orlando Pirates nayo interested. Mene mazi ke lo mjida lo uKhulumani Ndamane the former Kaizer Chiefs player odlala ngempela umjida attracts ama-team amaningi yabo. Attracts ama-team amaningi ngokudlala kwakhe. Nimbonile edlaleli Bafana kulama games esiphuma kuona. Umjida udlala ngempela nekuthi TS Galaxy one of the best players abadlalela iTS Galaxy right now. iTS Galaxy ke ikhona umdlali emdayisile obedlalela iOrlando Pirates yabo. Emdayise kwe-club edlala le kwiNorway. Nalo mjida lo ngenzeka bamdayise because TS Galaxy ilwe team kanjalo. iTS Galaxy ilanda abadlali abamncane leyo badlali ibakhulise masiye badayisa yabo. Kangijabulisa ngempela ukubona i-team kanje yabo. Umuntu oyiphethe iTS Galaxy unalo ihlo for italent. Ama-team mengalisebenzisa italent uyalanda italent yabo alikhusele mase alidayisa alise kuma Greener Pastures. Lo mjida lo nje bese ifunwa i-team edlala le phesheya nje. Le team le yale phesheya iyabona ukuthi kahle kahle ikhona italent eSouth Africa because they saw with ukudlala kwaNgezana uthi no man if uNgezana edlala kamnandi kanje ibaphi abanye abadlalayo lapha eSouth Africa. So they saw uKhulumani Ndamane yabo. Asazi ukuthi yiphi team ezowina. Ingabe iSundowns izokhipha imali eningi, ingabe Orlando Pirates izoyikhipha imali or iFCSB izoyikhipha imali le edlalelwe ubani uNgezana lo former Kaizer Chiefs player yabo. Kwezinye izindaba sizwe la ukhune ekhuluma nabe indaba ebatshela ukuthi the reason why engavumanga ukusebenza kwiKaizer Chiefs yabo. Ukhune one of the talented players asebadlalela iKaizer Chiefs, ilegend leKaizer Chiefs lile. So bambuzile ukuthi why did you say no to iKaizer Chiefs yabo. Washo ukuthi I would have preferred to be the first team goalkeeper coach but I was offered to go and coach the under-13s yabo. So obviously with me having been stressed for so many years carrying the team and now you have to go and shout at kids and taking all out of your frustration on them, I was like no yabo. Esho njalo ku Tumole Mkhunu washo ukuthi maybe in the future I can become a club scout since I have an eye for talent yabo. I thought for those were the position I would have been given at the club but unfortunately the club has their own plans yabo. Uthi yena ngokwakhe befuna ukucoacha yabo ukuba goalkeeper coach of his team. Ukuba goalkeeper coach of his team but ke club yona bimofferisha ukuthi abe ucoach under 13 yabo. Washo uthi hayi ngeke ngikwazi ukuya laphana, ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe ngisuka ukudlalela first team ngiyocoach under 13. The frustration enginayo sengiyoshutha kubafana abancane manje yabo. Uyasho ukuthi maybe in the future he can become yabo umuntu ozoba i-club scouts ozoba scoutela abadlali abasebancane, which is understand mhlawumbe mina ngi-understand mhlawumbe isingisi siyangihlula, but basho nje la uthi hamba uyosebenzisana nezingane ezincane, usuyosebenzisana nezingane ezincane kwi-future manje kanjani. Bakunikeza ithuba right now, they giving you a opportunity. These are the under 13s, you can see, because uyasho ukuthi unali ihle lokubona italent elincane. Why ungafuna ukuthatha ithuba leli? Hayi okhona madoda, mina ngi-understand leni, but ungangitshela na kuma comments uzizwa kanjani ngale nkulumo le issue uTimole Mkhune. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa iChippa United have offered Mark Mayambela, who is currently in Europe, to complete his UEFA A license as the assistant coach role. Yabo benikhumbula kahle uSinethemba Bhadela uyena ozobe yi-first team coach. Yabo njobe yi-first team coach bafuna ozoba yi-assistant coach kaSinethemba Bhadela. Yabo ithuba elihle kakhulu ke leli for lo mjida lo Mark Mayambela bafethu, because right now use Europe nje wenza coaching license. Le coaching license le izomenza abe one of the talented coaches esinabo la South Africa. Bekho baningi coach abanayo le license le, iyabiza kakhulu ukuthi uyenze. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa uPatuneto Nange, the former Kaizer Chiefs and SuperSport United midfielder, is set to leave iMarumo Gallants after ukuphela kwecontract yakhe. Njoba kule nyanga nje izophela icontract yakhe neMarumo Gallants, ozoshiya iMarumo Gallants. iMarumo Gallants ngezi renew icontract yakhe. Kwezinye izindaba, Pyramids FC officials ase South Africa right now akhuluma nobani, akhuluma noRulani Mkwena, because they are serious with their projects. Ba serious ngempela ngeproject yabo. Shuthi ucoach lo coacha iPyramids FC ngiyazi ahlale lebo uzoxoshwa nje lo coach, bafuna uRulani Mkwena. uRulani Mkwena bayaza bayempela ukumconvince. Mina ngikhumbule kahle leya position leyana bebefuna bani na, bebefuna yena noma kubuPitso Mosimane. Yabo yena noma uPitso Mosimane. Asazi ke uPitso ngenzeka kwiza maleke. Pyramids FC ifunela bani, ifunela ubani, uRulani Mkwena. Yabo so lapha eEgypt kuzobe khona ungenza kube khona uPitso, ngenza kube khona uRulani noJose Riviero. Yayibona ukuthi iPSL iyasebenza, yayibona ukuthi iPSL iyakhiqiza, ayigcini nje ukukhiqiza abadlali, ikhiqiza no coach, because iPSL yabo we are the biggest league in Africa. Kuyangijabulisa ukubona indaba ezikanje. Asazi ukuthi kuzowenzakalani bafethu isikhathi sisekhona. Ngophi ucoach uPirates asazi. Buya ngathi uFiyesi Ntwari is likely to leave iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo uFiyesi Ntwari bafethu ugoalkeeper lo wasayinwa iKaizer Chiefs last season, memsayina kuTS Galaxy, but ke izinto zakhe azimhambelanga kahle kuKaizer Chiefs because ama games awadlala ayengekho mnandi, management ayingagculisekanga, even ama fans ayingagculisekanga. iKaizer Chiefs right now are linked with angikwazi ukulipronounce leli igama leli bafethu, but ngiyalibona la uDju Diarra. Yabo from Yanga, udlalela iYanga lo amjidelo. Mase kuba uRonaldo Liena lo udlalela iSikhuno United, ubedlala kuba bafana bafana, uyadlala ke lo goalkeeper. So bafuna ugoalkeeper weYanga FC, mase kuba ugoalkeeper weSikhuno United. Asazi ukuthi umuphi ugoalkeeper bazomthola kuleyo 2 leyo, but ke bafuna ukueda equality njengoba bezohambisa uFiyesi Ntwari. Yabo either uNtwari uzohamba on a loan, because I heard ukuthi khona i-team yase France ibemfuna lo mjida lo, but ke asazi iKaizer Chiefs right now ine decision yokuthi imlone nokuthi imdayise. Yabo kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa Orlando Pirates confirmed they will return to Spain for i-pre-season in July. So Orlando Pirates ke izohamba iyeSpain njoba njengenjwayelo. In the last 3 seasons besiye Spain siyodlala, sohamba futhi kule season lezoqala siyodlala ama pre-season games khona. Asazi yithi mapha amathi mesobhekana nawo, but ke kuyangijabulisa ke lokho. Kwezinye izindaba amaZulu aserelease umunye umdlali uThembela Sikhakhane. Thembela Sikhakhane bafethu usereleasiwe amaZulu FC. amaZulu aloku erelease nje abadlali. Kwezinye izindaba sengakhuluma uThapelo Maseko. Yabo the Cyprus Giants iAris Limassol are considering tabling an offer for Mamelodi Sundowns winger uThapelo Maseko. A loan move with an option to buy is on the cards. Yabo asazi ke noma umjida uzovuma yena ukuyodlala le Cyprus, but ke Mamelodi Sundowns are considering moving lo mjida lo ayodlala abroad because asikho ispace sakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo iprojects ekhona right now I'm in favor lo mjida lo indlela adlala ngakhona. Kuthiwa iZamalek is keen to sign bafana forward uPercy Tau lo una 31. Yabo uPercy Tau ke bafuthi nizwile indaba zakhe, imali isamba semali ayifunayo. Yabo iteam ezomsayina, so iZamalek isakhona kwi-race yokumsayina. Nizwile indaba ade hambile kwishow izolo kuRobert Marawa, uyasho ukuthi ufuna 450 a month, 450k per month. Antshela abafana bami imali phela le yakudlalwa.